This is Michael Jackson's house right here.
I didn't get your money, little.
So yeah, that's what I got on. Just like a little swimming bag. All that. So yeah, we just went to this reggae thing. You see all these people, they got a jump the house, they barbecue. Like everybody just mad at their business, but it's gonna be lit.
The only thing that scares me is guys are so
Good morning to my family. It is currently like 9:35. That's my vlog today. It's gonna be a vlog. I look a mess, y'all, so don't mind me. I just woke up. Mama just came here like, we finna go to the beach. You wanna come get up? Of course I wanna come. So I just decided like, oh, today I'm gonna make a vlog. So right now I'm finna find my swimming clothes. That's complicated. I don't want to say I used to be friends with the girl I used to talk to. We just fell on. She brought the swimming suit for me and I'm finna wear it. Okay, shout out to her for buying the swimming suit for me because we were supposed to match that day. But anyways, I'm finna get in the shower, handle my business, and when I'm done, I'm gonna come back on here to y'all and let y'all know what's the next thing. Okay, I just had tilapia and a scrap, but I just ate it all and I forgot to record to show y'all. But yeah, this is my breakfast. And y'all know some of y'all probably like, why you eating hot sauce in the morning? I don't know. To be honest, it just tastes good with it. So guys, I am ready and I have on this little beach bag.
Wait, girl. Wait. We about to go to we going to the beach and do some sand
I have on these
castle.
shorts with these Nike sandals. And I wasn't able to show y'all my what I got in my beach bag, but I will be showing y'all that later in the vlog. So just stay tuned. Yeah, I did my edges. I got my coronavirus mask. My glasses, comment down below if I like my glasses. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna record when I get in the car. Yeah, but this is Michael Jackson's house right here. We on Jackson Street, as I can see. They got all these blocks right here. This is his house. Paris, we can't go in here. We can't go in here.
What?
Happy birthday, Janet. We can't go in there.
What?
Guess whose house is this? Michael Jackson. Thriller. Look at them. Look at mama now.
You like it? What you see?
Turn around. What is
This is great.
His body in the box. You smell like though? What it smell like? Girl, they put fake grass down.
Go run in the street.
Oh! No, she smell one level to the grave.
It'd be crazy if it's a big ass dog. But they will have that on no tourist site.
That probably is his grave.
None of them is deceased. Only Michael.
Mom, so his mama not dead?
No, his daddy, all of them alive.
Wait, what? I thought his mama and daddy was born in like 1945.
Right.
How they died before? How he died? Oh yeah,
He was doing stuff to make him white and stuff.
Yeah.
But they said his doctor killed him.
They say his what?
His doctor.
I don't think that'd be wrong if we can go inside her. Like that. That house is big.
Y'all, oh my God, we was finally at the, well, it ain't no sand out here, so I won't say the beach. Because like, y'all, we was in the car for like 2 hours. Y'all would not believe it. Like, we were trying to find like a beach, but all the beaches was closed. But look, we here.
We at this like a beach.
Like, you could jet ski. This like a jet ski place. I really want to put my feet in the water, but this water actually don't look contaminated. Like, it's clean. Everybody know that I do not like the beach water, but that's my first beach bath period. That's what I'm saying. Ain't no sand. Remember we was just in the car. We was in the car since 12:50 something. It's 3 something now. I want to put my feet in this. They don't look dirty.
Going to that reggae party. See the
So
tags. Look how they going. Some of them.
Put your feet in the water then. She telling me y'all that we could slip on this. Like what?
Put them as ties.
So this brick right here? This brick right here?
Yes, this is great.
Put your feet right there.
No, I'm saying if the ties was heavy, look at his stomach.
It smell like salt water. Look at this baby, y'all. I would never let, if I had a child, I would never let my kid get on her.
See, look how slippery it is.
You have your phone, Julie. Y'all see how she be risking her life?
Girl, you was why you putting salt on my shoulder?
Huh?
Yeah, she talking about she got your phone. Like you want me, like if you talk about me drop my phone, eventually I'm gonna drop my phone.
Where's mom in a minute?
She left the car.
Yeah. This quality is so bad. But look, I'm close extra deep. But yeah. Some of that, some of that, some of that. She can take it. But y'all, they people having picnics. Ooh, my phone is finna die. This is I'm just give y'all like a little. See, Julie got me scared. I'm gonna sit down right here. Julie had me scared. I'm gonna try to feel it. Hold on, let me take off my shoes, y'all. Ooh, this kind of slippery. I don't even like the beach water. Like, know what we go? I do not like to put my feet in no type of water. Cause I be seeing kids spinning water. Like, that stuff so nasty. Like, you spin in the water and everybody be hurt. I literally sent the little boy with my own ass spit in the water. 2 of it. That made me so mad. But it is hard to bring this water over. They still in the car. Yeah, we got going, but yeah. It ain't really nothing to vlog. I could just show y'all the water if y'all want to. But let me put my feet in the water. So y'all, look at her. That water just actually felt good on my feet. But yeah, look at this. This is so beautiful. It is so hot. What are you doing? This song actually hit me for real. Record me. Let me show them what I got on. This YouTube. Don't put your, you supposed to hold it like that. So yeah, this is what I got on. Just like a little swimming bag, you know. All that. How look? Cute. Weird. Cute. Thanks. But yeah, this is what she got on. Y'all probably seen her a whole bunch of times. But where we finna go now? Damn, do I got $1? Hold on. I'm finna go get me ice. Come on. We gotta see how much they cost first. But y'all, this is. They probably got corn, everything. But y'all, this is where we are. I think this like Winter Beach, whatever they're called.
Park Beach.
Oh, this Kmart Park Beach.
Yeah, you know it's 2 K-Max. It's one over east and then there's one back.
Right, we the one.
We the one east.
Right, we over east, y'all. Y'all, it ain't nothing to do with this thing. Just to put your feet in the water. But yeah, weird cars, weird people up here. Let me stop calling people weird. But yeah, my phone finna die because y'all, like I was saying, we literally was in the car for 3 hours just looking for a beach to see what it was open.
I don't see his car.
If they try to find like, they ain't never leave.
Gee.
I'm feeling these glasses. Let me know down in the comments y'all feeling these glasses. But yeah, it's a vibe. They ain't never leave us. What is it?
They actually did.
They ain't never leave us. But yeah, y'all, I follow her. You see her right there?
That damn wig.
The black one, the extra black one. I thought she was looking at me laughing at her. But I don't even be thinking about her. But yeah, y'all.
They did pull up because we was parked right there.
So y'all, we think we gotta find the what? What are they doing? They better get that little dog before it get hit. And the back,
Look at the dog.
they better not try to bite my ankle. It ain't nowhere to sit. Julie keeps saying that little slippery thing, you can fall on there. And it's deep. It's real deep, for real.
Tats.
It's real deep. So he can't play right there. Ain't no sand. Yeah, they put their feet in the water. Look at her toes. Look at him. He thirsts. He think it's beach water. He think it's sand out here. It ain't. Dumb. Y'all, now we going to try to find a little spot. Look at him. What are you doing? We looking to go find a spot. They carrying all the stuff. I'm trying to see that right there. But y'all really can't see. But yeah. It kind of feel good out here. The wind blowing. Today is a day for a picnic. When I tell y'all, it should be a picnic day for real. But yeah. Everything is sand out here and stuff. It's not no sand. I ain't even seen no sand. It feels so good, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. This is a vibe. Y'all think y'all in Miami. But yeah. Hurry up. I'm gonna get back to y'all when something happens, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. I wanna see this too. Jump. Hurry up, jump. I wanna see that. They finna jump? They finna do, I wanna see this. They gonna jump? Then this little boy, that was smart. It's a baby in there. They still standing right there. I've been recording for a long time. They gonna jump? Jump on the water. Oh, it ain't deep. I want to jump there. You can get in there. I'm not getting there. Parents gonna run in the water. It's the oh, it's a part over there too. Oh, we just came to that part over there. It just curved right there. Look at the bird. It's like it's floating. I know this is their best time. They can't be really cool because the wind and the birds. So we can't sit at. I guess that's where we gonna sit at. We can sit in some shade. I ain't gonna get back. Y'all, they trying to make us sit in the sun. I'm already black enough to not sit in the sun, okay? Wait, that ain't even make sense. I'm already black enough to sit. Let me just shut up. Okay, yeah, this is the perfect spot. Ice, I ain't even gonna lie. I stole some ice. So first of all, I just want to say my phone died, and I'm on I just want to say my phone died, and I'm on my little sister's phone. And y'all, I am scared to get in this water because it is deep. And look at that. Like if she on the corner, like if you go further, like one more away, you gonna get in the water. And I'm scared, y'all, because I don't know how to swim that good. I gotta know what feet the pool is, where the beach is to get in there. I'm not getting there. I would put my feet in there, but your girl's not getting there, okay? Hey, go ahead and get your money, little. It's the other one now. Give me a let me get the water. Don't let me. Yeah, yeah. He said, oh my. What's on the for her? Don't come in here. I'm cold. What's on me? So yeah, y'all, catching them bad. So y'all, my phone dead right now, so I think this gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, we just went to this reggae thing. We wanna go home to get dressed or whatever. You see all these people, they gotta drop the house, they barbecue. Like everybody just mad at their business, but it's gonna be lit at night. I thought I was gonna stop recording, but I'm not, y'all. I'm not gonna stop recording, okay? So y'all just stay tuned for this video, and if y'all like this video, comment down below, okay? Everybody's just babbing though, like, who you on the phone with? Nobody. She always on the phone with somebody, like, look at her. We finna dance, hey! We don't even got on our tutu, so we can't even dance. Yeah, is we gonna be able to dance? I don't know. I'm trying to cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. How you trying to dance? Let me show them how I'm trying to dance. You scared? Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Let me stop. Hurry up. didn't even record my food, but I just had some jerk chicken and some rice. Yeah, that stuff was good. As y'all can see, me and my family, we made it home safely. Thank you guys for that. And as y'all can see that I have on my night clothes, I just got out the shower like an hour ago. And this video that I'm gonna post, y'all will be seeing this video tonight. So thank y'all for watching this whole video. Thank you for coming on along with me on today's journey. And if y'all want to see more vlogs, comment down below. Good night to everyone. I love every single one of y'all. Sleep well, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite, and your girl is out.